Today I have with you my face of the day, which I'm already wearing right now. I'm going to show you my haul from RMS that they had an offer, so I ordered a few things. I took the opportunity to try stuff, replace stuff. I'll tell you in a minute as I do my face. And I also wanted to show you, if you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you will have seen that I've been creating jewelry pieces. I'm gonna make a video about my journey and how it's going, because I just find it interesting, the creation process. But I wanted to show you a little bit of what I've got because I have super limited quantities on sale, so I'm offering it to you first before I even do any marketing anywhere, or I don't even have a website for it yet. But I have my diamond strand, which is beautifully chic. I love it. It's like the ultimate casual look. And then I have several strands here. I have basically everything that's on this. I have this beautiful light, almost cornflower blue sapphire. I have my signature rainbow strand. This is all sapphire, so they sparkle beautifully. And I have two pink sapphires, one with a white gold clasp and one with a platinum. All the other ones have this invisible platinum. Every part is platinum. I'm making a point out of making pieces that are exceptional quality. I mean, as good as I can get it. It's a breakthrough in the industry because nobody really has that. And then I have some rings. I have a basic Eternity, which I will offer as a kind of like a side project, but I just think it's important to offer pieces that are really good quality but that are really minimal. I've always wanted to have that and also be able to share it. And then I have some samples that I ordered, which I'm not going to repeat, but you can buy them. This is yellow topaz, yellow sapphire, and a beautiful, almost paparazzi. Is this salmony sunset sun color sapphire. So that's all in 18 karat gold, and I will put pictures of that. But if you want me to hold you anything right away, just let me know. And if you want it before Christmas, I can ship it, so just let me know. I can ship it really quickly. And they're all, they're beautiful pieces, but you can buy them. This is yellow topaz, yellow sapphire, and a beautiful, almost paparazzi. Is this salmony sunset sun. Some earrings. These are also samples that I got made, so I don't know if I'm gonna have them again. I have these square ones. They are all, exceptional quality, 18 karat rose gold and diamonds. These ones are sold, and these ones are emerald with gold. If you want any of these, again, I only have one of them, so get them as soon as possible. And if nobody gets them, I'll just start putting them on the websites, and I'm using them for my collection. I'm loving doing that, and I have it, it's all a concept now because I have my manifesto, I have my artworks. I'm picking up my diamond dust tomorrow, which I'm having framed, and I have the diamond strands. Just everything about it has an air of glamour and luxury and magic that I love. I've always wanted to have a little world around my art, and I've had, of course, the music, so I'm doing a performance probably in January where it talks about it, and I will exhibit, I will perform, I will sing, I will do everything that I do. So anyway, I'll keep you updated with all of that. So follow me, Instagram, Snapchat, contact me in any way you want and ask me and I will help you. Let's get on with the makeup. I'm gonna brush my brows. What shall we do first? Concealer. So I've been using the foundation, the Uncover foundation from RMS. So I'm putting this under my eye. As you know, I don't really want to cover anything, but I like to protect the area. In the end, I've decided that I like this brush the best because it doesn't pull my skin. Oh my god, yesterday I tinted my lashes and my brows, and I have to say I had the worst experience because the girl that was doing it, they're usually really good. The girls that I go to Blink Brow Bar in Liberty. But the girl, bless her, she was nice, but she was tugging my eyes. I mean, nobody has ever tugged my eyes so hard. I couldn't believe it. I was like, can you be a little bit gentler? I told her at the beginning I had sensitive eyes too. Around my mouth, because I haven't been lining my lips. It's really important if you don't want to line your lips. to put foundation so that you don't have any redness, so that your lipstick stands out more. I mean, I haven't really been wearing much lipstick, as you know. I actually want to try a nude lip. I haven't been wearing nudes because I've been wearing lip balm. And also today I'm going to use powders because I ordered the palette. And I want to try. I'm gonna put a little bit of lip balm. I've been using this one by Drunk Elephant. It's a basic, but it works really well. I'll put some perfume on. I'm not going to use mascara because I just tinted my lashes. You know what I found? You can literally hold them up. They start getting a little bit curled. So I don't have anything on my lashes right now, just I have them tinted. I'm still gonna use the curler, but I just wanted to show you that because it already makes a big difference. So I ordered this palette, which is really soft and nice. So in this occasion, I'm just gonna go for the super neutrals from this side. Cool tones. I'm into cool tones. It looks like a color that wouldn't be much of anything, but actually, it's already giving me a shadow. Oh, I like it. And this is the lightest color here. That's cool. Beautiful shadows as always. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of this gray. I always like to start on the bottom like that. I really like eyeshadow on my bottom lid. Okay, so it's quite nice and intense, kind of like a bluish. I love this color. This is really flattering on me actually. It's going to be more than I was thinking of putting on, but hey. I'm gonna need to blend this a bit. They're quite dramatic colors, but wow, brings up your eyes a lot. Love this color. And then maybe I will, just for the sake of it, I'll put some of the pinkish one too here. It's alright. I can see how this pinkish color, this is the one at the top, that's gonna be good actually by itself too. So this is our basic smoky eye that we're doing here. Very flattering colors for blue eyes. I went down there too much, so I need my foundation brush. Just bring this up a bit. The foundation brush is like a delete button. I'm going to use this luminizer just in the corner of my eye, so we can test it. Standard white. It feels very creamy, I like it. But then I'm gonna use the Amethyst Luminizer. But it's beautiful, see, it's just a lilac-y color. And I'm gonna use this blush, which looks a lot like a NARS Orgasm kind of thing. Wow, it's really pigmented. Oh, I'm wearing my diamond strands, by the way. So I kind of want to wear this lipstick, but let's see what else is there. Oh, okay, so this was my big thing. I wanted to try their lip liners, and I ended up getting the 3 of them. Because you know what? It was so much cheaper to order from the US website, the RMS US website, and they had this deal where they also gave you a gift, which I'll show you in a bit. But I just decided to go for everything because it was just worth it. So I ordered, it was like half price what it costs here. So I ordered these 3 lip liners, which I'm sure I will use, so it's not going to be left over. They look really pretty. It's nighttime nude, daytime nude, and red, which is coincidentally the 3 colors that I always use. You can wear the nudes with any shade, but if you want to wear a really dark red, like lately I've been wearing Diabolique, then a red is a good idea. So that's why I got the red, because I do like wearing quite gothic colors sometimes in winter. So let's see what we do. Let's try... I kind of want to wear... I want to wear this one that I bought, Magic Hour. It's a nude. Remember, I used to wear a lot of nudes and then I stopped doing it because of the whole lip thing. But I want to try it again. So this is Magic Hour. Looks like a really nice nude, right? So I'm going to try this with the daytime nude lip liner. How am I wearing lip liner? Okay, so it goes on quite light.